I think it's better than it was before, far better than a facelift. Hi!
Can you tell us why you decided to try the CV Aptos Threads?
Well, syempre, I think it's a normal thing for people to age. And since it's really not that invasive, there's no surgery involved. So why not do that instead of going through a whole process of facelift, which is so scary. We've seen Hollywood stars who had a facelift and all these things that they did to their faces. Tapos, diba, parang the result was not good. Parang ang itsura is botched. Diba, nakakatakot. Buti na lang yun. Non-invasive masyado.
After 7 months, how would you describe your results?
I think it's okay. I think it's better than it was before. I think na-address naman yung parang jowls dito. Parang I think gone na eh. Plus, I lost weight also. I think perfect naman. My face is not perfect, but it's far better than it was before I did it.
How does your skin feel now compared to before?
My skin feels so fresh. The thing kasi with Kathy's skincare line is I think it doesn't have much chemicals compared to others. Well, siya kasi being a naturopathist, more on organic ingredients siguro ang ginagamit niya. I don't know what's in all the ingredients of the skincare line, but somehow if you continuously use it, I hardly have any makeup, pero fresh naman.
Last question, would you recommend the CV Aptos Threads to others and why?
Why not? I think it's far better than doing a facelift. Kasi like I said, facelift could be dangerous. You don't know how long it's gonna take before you heal. You have to go in hiding. Well, the Aptos naman, they're just threads. But I think in my experience, parang mga 10 days yung pinaka downtime. Kasi you're gonna swell. Pero hindi naman swollen na. Medyo lang. It's a little bit painful while it's healing. But pain is good because that means to say it's working. That means to say the muscles are tightening. That means to say that there's a pulling up effect. And while you're healing, kasi you can feel na parang nagta-tighten eh pag ganon. I would recommend it. Why not? Far better than a facelift.